Eating folks, doing the main challenge for MVH for his Ginobili Green Auto challenge is live. We've got challenge winner to challenge winner top and bottom. That mini looks like to be running one, putting that list in the randomizer at 950. Mini on top and bottom, dice roller 2 dice, no snake eyes. We're going 6 times. Good luck, folks. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times with the challenge without a winner on top. One more time, 950. Congrats to spot 3. It's Glenn picking it up. Had to go 6 times. Did go 6 times. Verification code at the bottom, and Glenn is on top. Congrats. Challenge complete.